Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to own auto rotate screen in our vivo phone. Guys, you want to own guys auto rotate screen, so as you can own. And guys, now let's see how to own auto rotate screen in our vivo phone. In this video guys, I will show you. So friends, let's see how to own auto rotate screen. Guys, first of all, open your phone setting and guys, come in your display and brightness setting. Guys, you can see auto rotate screen. So guys, we will on from the right side, and guys, you want to rotate your phone, so as you can rotate. And guys, now suppose you are using YouTube, and guys, you want to rotate your phone, so as you can rotate. Guys, you can see. So I hope friends you have understood how to on auto rotate screen in vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.